gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
What kind of watch goes best with Huawei's extraordinary master phone? Honestly, the perfect match has to be the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2nd generation. So let's take a closer look at this extraordinary master watch. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right from the unboxing, you can tell it's something special. The packaging is surprisingly thick, and once you lift it, you immediately feel the weight of the watch itself. It comes with a metal strap by default. We'll check out how that looks in a moment. There's also Huawei's signature contactless magnetic wireless charger, which they've been leading the industry with. The dial design is also unique, featuring an eye-catching two-tone finish. Once you peel off the screen protector, you can see how the surface plays with light. It doesn't look or feel like the typical metal and glass texture you get on most smartwatches. Huawei is using an entirely new, non-precision material this time, topped with sapphire glass. It may not be obvious on camera, but in person, both to the touch and to the naked eye, it carries a completely different presence. It leans more toward the vibe of a luxury analog watch. This white and blue dual-color design with its irregular front shape shows that an extraordinary master doesn't have to look overly formal. You can easily take it outdoors, hiking, diving, mountain adventures. It fits right in. And if you do prefer a classic look, Huawei has that covered too. Take this other version, for example. It's low-key yet sharp, with the style of a racing or pilot's watch, full of speed and attitude. Which one do you like more? Personally, I'd wear either. Both have their own charm. The watch uses 3 digital crowns along with a side sensor. If you look closely at the octagonal skeleton-style case, you'll notice polished crystal sections mixed with chamfered edges, giving it a layered and premium feel. The white and blue Mediterranean theme combined with the fabric-like texture in the center adds a thicker, more rugged character, definitely leaning toward a masculine style. And since it's winter, some of you might be heading out for skiing or cold weather adventures. No worries, the watch comes with an extra long strap. It looks oversized at first, but once you're wearing a thick ski jacket, you'll understand why it's needed. For those who prefer something more suitable for formal outfits, especially suits, the black model is even longer and carries a sharper, more powerful vibe. It feels fast, bold, and confident. The fully animated dial and ultra-bright display make outdoor visibility excellent. Pressing the crown delivers a super smooth interface with customizable icons. The shortcut buttons below the crown give easy access to features, and the crown on the left opens outdoor adventure mode instantly. Whenever your mood changes, you can switch to a different watch face to match your style. Prefer using a metal strap? Go ahead. Need to adjust the wrist size yourself? Totally fine. All the straps come with quick release buckles, no screwdriver required, so you can resize or swap them effortlessly. And if the standard length isn't enough, you can extend it too. This is the Huawei Extraordinary Master Watch, built to be experienced. This color is still a bit too eye-catching for my taste. I usually prefer something more subtle and low-key. But once we get past the design, Huawei has also packed in some industry-first technology. The Huawei Watch Ultimate 2nd generation supports professional-grade 150-meter diving depth, and it even includes audio features. This isn't just ordinary waterproofing. A 150-meter depth rating means the watch's durability and water resistance are already on a professional level. And the audio feature is where Huawei introduces its brand new Dolphin sonar communication tech. In simple terms, the watch can communicate underwater on its own. It comes with various preset predictive messages that change depending on your diving mode. Since you obviously can't use a touchscreen underwater, the watch sends these updates through physical controls by rotating the button. I haven't had time lately, and I definitely can't dive 150 meters yet, so I'll need to get a diving certification before testing that out properly. But if you're curious, we can still do a basic demonstration now. Huawei even offers an on-water testing solution to check everything before you go into the water. During an actual dive, the watch can send SOS alerts and even forward messages, giving you a relay distance of up to 30 meters, plus another 30 meters. That way, you can stay connected with someone at the surface when it matters most. Now let's switch to features we'll actually use every day. The watch supports BeiDou satellite voice messaging, which means if you're driving through remote areas or heading out on an outdoor adventure with zero signal, you can still send and receive messages via satellite. It also supports independent eSIM communication. The positioning system has been upgraded too, so even when you're running in complicated environments, your route is tracked with high accuracy. Moving on to the new hardware highlights of the ultimate second generation, we have the X-type textured sensor window. It holds 3 key sensors, ECG, PPG, and pressure, which allow for fast VT detection and access to up to 17 different health reports. Blood oxygen monitoring is also real-time. Just place your finger on the sensor and your SpO2 updates instantly, refreshing every second. With busy schedules, having your health status so easily accessible makes a big difference. The little wing feature has also been upgraded. It now works more like a smart assistant instead of just a workout guide. It not only gives training suggestions, but also keeps an eye on your overall health. And here's something fun, gesture controls. While listening to music, you can pause, play, or skip tracks with a simple swipe or tap. And if you own a HarmonyOS powered car, this watch becomes your digital key, secure, convenient, and fully enhanced. Always evolving, always pushing boundaries. That's what makes this Huawei Extraordinary Master stand out.